Look, if you're not a smart student, that's okay. You are an average student, that's okay, no problem. If you practice again and again, you're going to be smarter. That's enough. You can achieve your goal, that's enough. You do not need to be stand out from the crowd in order to do everything. No. Whatever you want to be, you can achieve, you can become somebody. Okay? So work on yourself. That's all. Let's begin now.
It appears that the sun is shining. It appears that the cat is sleeping. It appears that the bird is singing. It appears that the dog is barking. It appears that the flower is blooming. It appears that the weather is nice. It appears that the food is delicious. It appears that the movie is interesting. It appears that the book is exciting. It appears that the music is loud. It appears that they are happy. It appears that they are running. It appears that they are talking. It appears that they are playing. It appears that they are eating. You seem to be very happy today. You seem to be a bit upset. You seem to be tired. You seem to be angry. You seem to be confused. You seem to be bored. You seem to be enjoying the party. You seem to be lost. You seem to be looking for something. You seem to be trying to avoid me. You seem to be planning something. You seem to be hiding something. You seem to be in pain. You seem to be feeling unwell. You seem to be having a bad day. You seem to have a cold. You seem to have a lot of fun. You seem to have a problem. You seem to have lost your keys. You seem to have a headache. You seem to have a lot of work. You seem to have a great time. You seem to have a good memory. You seem to have a lot of friends. You seem to have a lot of money. You seem to have a new haircut. You seem to have a lot of energy. You seem to have a lot of questions. You seem to have a lot of luggage. You seem to have a lot of patience. He is meant to be a doctor. He is meant to study hard. He is meant to take care of his family. He is meant to be a good listener. He is meant to follow the rules. He is meant to be a leader. He is meant to apologize for his mistake. He is meant to help others. He is meant to be on time. He is meant to be a good friend. He is meant to respect his elders. He is meant to be honest. He is meant to finish his homework. He is meant to be kind to animals. He is meant to be a good citizen. Would you please pass me the salt? Would you please open the door for me? Would you please help me with my homework? Would you please turn off the lights? Would you please speak more slowly? Would you please repeat that? Would you please lend me your phone? Would you please wait for me? Would you please tell me the time? Would you please call a taxi for me? Would you please take a photo for me? Would you please show me how to do that? Would you please give me a glass of water? Would you please turn down the music? Would you please stop talking? I'm willing to help you with your homework. I'm willing to try new foods. I'm willing to go to the party. I'm willing to listen to your problems. I'm willing to learn a new language. I'm willing to work overtime. I'm willing to share my toys. I'm willing to apologize. I'm willing to give you a second chance. I'm willing to compromise. I'm willing to admit I was wrong. I'm willing to change my mind. I'm willing to follow your rules. I'm willing to try harder. I'm willing to be patient. I feel like eating a pizza. I feel like taking a nap. I feel like going for a walk. I feel like listening to music. I feel like watching a movie. I feel like reading a book. I feel like swimming in the pool. I feel like dancing to some music. I feel like playing video games. I feel like talking to a friend. I feel like crying because I'm sad. I feel like laughing because I'm happy. I feel like sleeping because I'm tired. I feel like eating something sweet. I feel like drinking a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching.